move it to where I may want the video to be as I'm talking. So I want a video overlay. Hey there, everybody, and welcome back to the Digital Paul Workshop. It is I, that pen that loves to bend the minute you plug your video connector up, Techno Meow Tinkerer. And today we're going to cover some more tools and features you can do in Olive, the video editor that I'm using for all my videos. And what we're going to cover today is the slip and slide tool. Yes, I know it sounds like we're having some fun outside in the summer, and considering the time I'm posting this, yes, you would think so. But no, it is not no water park fun in the yard. I guess you call it. I don't know what you call it. I just know it's like a little. I remember just a little old water tool. But let's quickly go over to the auto video editor. I already got some of this stuff set up. Probably won't be a long clip. But let's say we got some video. I already got a clip here of my icon video, or my desktop icon video. I got there, and it's about 20 seconds long. And I got this one here from one of my woodworking videos. I don't remember which one it is. Now, the one thing about leaving the stuff here is I can move this along. I cut it off. I can move it along and move it where I want it, and not really affect anything else. And I can always extend it back out or reduce it down to the size I need. And this is great and works for me. But let's say you got a lot of stuff going on and you want to condense things down. Well, you can always pull this over here. And but this creates a problem. I pull it back out, boom. So if I want to relocate it, I'm going to leave a gap where I was. So let's go back to right here. So let's move it around. And so what we can do is get the slide tool here. This one right here is the slide tool. This little bar with the two arrows pointing away from the bars. Or I think it's two bars. And so now with the slide tool, I can move it to the right, or as I said, left, and I can move it over here to the right. And it carries and it fills in the area while it takes up the other one, so with the track that was underneath it. And so this is good for if you want to move it around until you can find the right spot. I'm curious about something. I hadn't tried it. Let me unlink this and see if I can take the audio out. Oh yeah, it still works. So like if I just need the video but no audio, I can move it around. Let's go back. Link. Okay, there we go. Everything's like. But let's say I realize, ooh, I didn't cut the right spot of my video that I wanted. Well, that's when you come over here to this one with the two arrows between the two bars. And you grab that and you got this little weird looking square within brackets. Well, you can click and drag and you can see it's moved the video around up there. So I can actually move it to where I may want the video to be as I'm talking. So I want a video overlay. Like I said, for me, it's not something I'm going to see that I'm going to be using, because let's go ahead. Because one reason is because, like I said, I pull it out, boom, it is dead space there. Let me move. I extended the channel. You can probably get around that by clicking on the slide tool and then just sliding it to one end and then deleting it out and then trying to, oops, I got a little piece there. I thought I did. You have to unlink this and drag it on out. If I want that back, see, like I said, it's a little bit more of a hassle. So for me, it's not something I would personally use. And I think I might have covered this in my video on how to let's make a show. It looks like there's still something there. Maybe it's just okay, there we go. There was something there. This is just for me. If I'm going to use a clip, I'd rather just go in with the clip tool here, or the cut tool, and cut out what I don't need. And I can adjust this without ever affecting this. And if I ever decide, well, I really don't want this here, I can just hit delete and delete it out, and no effect. So that is the basics for the slip and slide tool for those of you who want to use it. you're welcome to. I'm not going to tell you can't. It's just not something that's for me. Well, I do hope for this video was, well, let me switch over quickly. There we go. I do hope this video was helpful for some of you, and if you like my content and you want to help support the channel, please like and subscribe and share this with anyone you think might find it useful. Have a nice day.